వ్యూవర్స్ ఈ వీడియోలు మిస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.
Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss about the concepts of national income. Already in the previous videos the definition was completed, and in this video what are the various concepts of national income? How can we explain the various concepts of national income? Let me say here, national income. So first of all, what is the definition of the national income? Means the total value of or the aggregative value of all final goods and services value, we get the national income. Already I discussed in the previous videos what is the definition of national income, only the single video. Or in other words, the total production which is produced by the total population of the country. The production or output which is produced by the total population of the country is called the national income. So here, how many concepts are there in national income? Means various concepts of national income. Various concepts are there in national income. Let me say one by one here. GNP, gross national product. One, let me write gross national product. It is a GNP. Second, net national income or product. Net national product, GNP or GNI. Next, third, gross domestic product. See, NNP here, GDP. For net domestic product, NDP, net domestic product. Next, fifth one, national income. National income at factor cost. National income at factor cost. Next, sixth, personal income. Personal income. Next, disposable income, and at real national income, and the last one, per capita income. Okay, so here various concepts of national income. Here, gross national product, GNP or GNI, net national product, NNP, gross domestic product, GDP, net domestic product, NDP, national income at factor cost, NIFC, personal income, PI, disposable income, DI, and real national income. Next to per capita income. So these are the various concepts of the national income. So let us analyze one by one serially. First one is gross national product. Same definition. The total value of all final goods and services producing in an 1 year is called the national income. The total value of all final goods value in 1 year, goods value plus services value, we get the national income. And which goods and services have to take? The final goods value. Final goods value and services value we have to take to calculate the national income. So this is the definition of national income in an 1 year. Okay. Next, what are the concepts of national income? Is gross domestic product. Same definition. In the gross domestic product is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M R minus P. Student, see here, GNI, gross national may be income or product. C plus I plus G plus X minus M R minus P. What is the C? Consumption goods, I investment goods, and G government expenditure, X exports, minus M imports or receipts, minus P payments. So this is the concepts which we are discussing, the items which we are going to discuss. C plus I plus G plus X minus M R minus P is calculated the gross national product or maybe income. Okay, so when it will be income, the production is multiplied into the market value, we get the income. Okay, so gross national product GNI or GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M R minus P. So this is the first one. Second, net national product. So when the process of the production, we can use the machinery equipments, and what is the capital goods. So we have to deduct the capital goods in the process of the production, then we get the net national product. Is it? So at the time of the production process, we use the machinery equipments that will be depreciated. So the depreciation is a deletion from the GNP, we get the NNP. Simple. Yeah. GNP minus, see, minus depreciation. The depreciation of the capital. Depreciation. Right. The depreciation of the capital should be minus from the GNP, we get the net domestic production, net national production. Okay. Second. Next, third, gross domestic product. What is the gross domestic product? The production which is produced in the boundaries of the country. The production which is produced in the boundaries of the country. Suppose this is the country, for example, take it as this is the country. When we add the X minus M, X means exports, Y means M means imports. No exports, no imports, only the production which is boundaries of the country is called the gross domestic production. Gross domestic production is equal to C plus I plus G. Only in the boundaries of the country. When we add the X minus M, it will become GNP. This is a domestic product, domestic income. Okay, when we add the X minus M, it will become GNP. When we deduct the X minus M, it will become GDP, gross domestic production. Okay, then net domestic production. In the process of the production, we can use the machineries, capital goods. The capital goods are the NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Try to understand. If you want to find out the net value, so we have to deduct the depreciation. Here we want to deduct the depreciation, we get the net national product. Here we want to the net domestic production, GDP, this is GDP minus depreciation, we get the net domestic production. Simple, easy concepts. Then national income at a factor cost. What is the national income at a factor cost? Means land gets rent, labor gets wages plus interest and profits. These are the factors of factor cost. So the factor cost, if you want to find out the factor cost, market value, market price is equal to, we deduct from the taxes. Market price minus taxes, we get the national income at factor cost. సింపుల్ అండి. నేను ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి, మీకు ఇక్కడ అర్థమవుతుంది. నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ అట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కాస్ట్ మైనస్ taxes plus how to add the subsidies. So the government are provided to subsidy facilities to the companies. It is a low rate of the required necessaries of to production of goods and services. Okay, so tax minus tax, direct taxes plus subsidies. Okay, so this is the formula of national income at factor cost. For example, what are the factor cost here? Suppose 4 rupees. Factor cost is 4 rupees. For example, what is the price of the market? 6 rupees. Tax is 2 rupees and the factor cost is 4 rupees. How can we obtain the factor cost? Market price factor cost minus tax. We get the national income at a factor cost plus subsidies. Have to add this one. Next to personal income. What is the personal income? The income which is earned by the total population of the country. The income which is earned by the total population of the country. So here personal income is equal to undistributed corporate profits, 1, undistributed corporate profits, social security contribution and plus transfer payments. Next, disposable income. Disposable income means personal income. Simple, personal income minus personal tax. Personal income minus personal tax or consumption plus saving. When we calculate the personal consumption and saving, we get the disposable income. Disposable income means the income which is ready for spending is called disposable income. The income which is ready for spending, it is a disposable income. Next, real national income. For example, here the income is there, something income is there. Suppose we producing the 100 quintals. For example, we produce the 100 quintals. We means the total population of the country produce the 100 quintals. The 100 quintals into market value is equal to 100 rupees is equal to 10,000 rupees. 10,000 is the national income, but we can't display the 10,000 rupees. Why? Means 100 quintals into 50 rupees. Only we have calculated the 50 rupees. What is the 50 rupees? Based year. The prices are we taken the based year. So the based year is now 2011, 2012. This is the based year. What is called the based year? No inflation, no deflation year is called the based year. So we produced 100 quintals. Market price is 50 rupees, but market price is actually 100 rupees. The based year at the time of 11-12, the price of that commodity is 50 rupees. Only the national income is equal to 5,000. We display the national income only the 5,000. This is called real national income. If the prices increases, that is not a national income. Why? Because here the price is 100 rupees. The 100 rupees is increases to 200 or 300 or it will be fall down. So prices are not taken. The changes in prices are not taken. Only we have to take the changes in the real output. The real output and the base year price when we calculate the income is called the 5,000 is the national income. This is called the real national income. Next, last one, per capita income, per head income. Per head means what is the total population of the country, total national income by total population. When we divided this total national income is total population, we get the per capita, per head income, each one income. Okay, so this is the one of the standard of living. When the per capita income increases, the standard of living will also increases. Okay, so this is one of the index of per capita income. It is the standard of living. So viewers, these are the various concepts of national income. Okay, so thank you very much.